Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable and use personal safety check-in on Android 16. Let's begin! So, personal safety check-in is one of the newest Android 16 features, and that's available right now in the beta. As for recording this video, the Android 16 is not released publicly just yet, so the settings might change. Anyway, in order to actually get into the safety check-in, we are not going to be heading into the settings. Instead, we want to go here and locate the built-in Google application called Safety. If you never used this application before, you will probably need to not only log into your Google account, but also add emergency contacts. I'm going to simply do that by hitting add contact, and in here I will go to my testing. So as you can see now, we can press add, and my testing is now my emergency contact. Of course, I would definitely advise you to use probably some of your family, like your brother, sister, girlfriend, wife, friend, whatever. And for purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that, as I just want to showcase the feature itself. Now we can go into the safety check, and if you need to go through the configuration process, then you have to go through configuration process. If I remember correctly, you can basically choose if you want to enable the ability to notify emergency contacts whenever you start a safety check, if I remember correctly. But yeah, anyway, here we can choose the reason of our walking check. So for example, if I would go out in the night alone for some reason, I can go with walking alone, and I can set for how much time I want to go alone. So for example, if I want to go for a nighttime walk for some reason, and I'm thinking about 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour, I want to simply set 1 hour, and then I want to hit next. And as you can see here, we can notify our contacts whenever we actually press start, because normally it would notify our contacts whenever the timer will end, but if we enable this option, we should be able to notify everyone on our contact list that we have started a safety check. I'm going to disable this option, and I can simply press start. So as you can see now, our safety check is starting, and as you can see, we have the little site, this little screen right here. We have the duration of our clock, when exactly the alarm will go off, and we can also enable the emergency call, or the emergency, so it will basically automatically fast forward the time. We can stop it, or we can call 112. So I will simply hit stop. I will stop the safety check, which will also take a while. And if we go to the features, we can try out the demo to see how it will look if the timer will actually go out. So I'm going to press try demo. I will warn you though that this section will be loud, so you have your warning. Try to lower your speakers right now, because the alarm is itself pretty loud. So I will hit start. And as you can see, we had 3 different options. We could call, we could share the location right now, or we can say, you know what, I'm actually fine. The setting is pretty good, especially if you like leaving your house often, if you go hiking, if you go in the night, if you go basically anywhere when you might have a feeling that something wrong might happen to you. It is a very important feature, and I will definitely find myself using it. especially since I like going out for hiking. So I would really like that my friends and family will know that I'm missing for more than a day, let's say. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.